RCM companies are spending way too much time and money processing denials, underpayments, missing evidence, modifier issues, authorization gaps, and claim repair delays. Beyond Care Intelligence brings those problems into one secure browser workspace for claim repair, denial evidence, payment variance, appeal drafting, and review-ready 837 reconstruction. Instead of scattered spreadsheets, payer portals, and email folders, each repair job becomes one browser launch work run, tying claim facts, payer response, service lines, denial evidence, appeal work, and exports together. A repair job can import 837 claims, 835 remits, X12 files, and 270 first eligibility data, putting claim, payment, eligibility, denial, and payer response into one review story. It can also import doctor notes and medical test results, including echo reports, labs, imaging, or other supporting documents. Clinical coding evidence review surfaces ICD-10, CPT, or HCPCS support, modifiers, medical necessity language, symptoms, test findings, and recommended actions. Repair Intelligence, Service Line Builder, and Claim Evidence review show what needs correction, rebilling, appeal support, authorization proof, modifier review, or human review. Inside Appeal Builder, the professional appeal letter creator drafts an appeal from the selected claim, denial data, repair findings, CLM, and SV1 previews, and clinical evidence. When ready, corrected 837 Builder runs reconstruction. Corrected 837 review shows validation status, rebuilt service lines, important X12 segments, what was added or repaired, and the corrected EDI preview. Payment variance identifies underpayments and payer shortfalls. Export packet packages, corrected claim output, evidence, appeal letter, review files, and supporting data. Beyond Care Intelligence is provider-side denial defense. Your server, your data, your denial fight. Built for RCM teams. Buy a non-exclusive source code license once. Own it forever. Unlimited users. Unlimited claim review. No seat fees. No claim meter. No recovery split.